After knowing about the concept, that is work done in the previous video about everything, let us solve some numericals related to work done. Some numericals. But before moving to numericals, let us understand something more important here. Now, bacho, for example, this is one table. These are supposed to be its legs, Any book is lying on the table, any book. And you have done in the previous chapter that the force with which earth attracts, that is called weight. mg. This is what we have done in the previous chapter. Means this book's weight is being acting downward towards the earth. Means this much weight is there here now. This is for weight only. Weight, not work. This is weight. Now to pick this book up, I have to apply some force. And now, hopefully up to now, you must understand that force must be equals to this weight. If not, then you people are unable to pick the book. Try to keep this concept in your mind forever, that whenever you want to pick anything up, you must have to apply force equals to the weight of that thing. Now let's proceed to the numericals. So here I comes to the very first numerical from your NCERT on page, let me have the book. On page 148, it is on 148 NCERT. A force of 7 Newton, that if there is one body and they are saying that a force which is being applied on it, that is 7 Newton on this body which is at point A. A force of 7 Newton acts on the object and it displaces the body through 8 centimeter. Let me check once again. Sorry, it is meter. And the body reaches here. Okay. So now you just have to calculate the work done, which is equals to force into displacement as it is given. Force is 7, displacement is 8. So 7 8s are 56 joules. Now, one more concept along with this. While solving the previous numericals of lesson gravitation, we have talked about SI units and CGS units. So, Putter, SI is MKS. MKS means in SI, length will be always in meter. Mass will be in kilogram and time in seconds. Here in CGS, it should be in centimeter, it should be in gram, or it is in seconds. The time should be in seconds. So here, Newton is the SI unit of force. So Newton is the SI unit of force. So if Newton given means in SI, then the displacement must be in meter, and that is again given. So that's why I just solved it. Now some of you must be having a doubt, sir, what is the CGS unit of force? It is not in your syllabus, but let me discuss. Actually, this is a little funny name. The name is Dian. So exactly, Dian it is. The CGS unit of force is Dian. So let's proceed to the next numerical, one more numerical, let us perform, So here comes. A coolie lifts a luggage. Luggage means any, any suitcase or anything which is lying on the ground, and here the coolie has been standing. He is standing on the ground there, and he has been picking with his hands. As I told you, whenever anything lying on the ground, its weight must be acting downwards. So to pick this up, coolie has to apply force equals to weight. Now next thing, what is given? Let me read the numerical. A coolie lifts a luggage of 15 kilogram. Now kilogram, as we have discussed in the chapter gravitation, is just the mass. So mass is 15 kilogram. From a ground and puts it on his head, which is 1.5 meter above the ground. Indirectly, this luggage displaces through 1.5 meter, means this is the displacement given. So now they are asking you to find out the work done. So very simple. Work done is equals to force into displacement. Now force is mg, which is acting on it. As I told you, to pick anything up, you have to apply force equals to the weight. So let the force is mg into s. Now mass is given, that is 15 kg. Kg is the SI unit. So let it be. Again, if g is not given, you already know, either you may take 10 or you may take 9. So most of the time you have to take 9, and the displacement is 1.5. So when you will solve, you will get your answer, and solve you have to do by yourself. Stay blessed. Thank you.